Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you IT applications. What is IT applications? Local business functional applications embedded in business process activities, products, or services. Research and development work performed to create a situation specific bridge between new or existing IT hardware and software technologies and the information needs wants of a customer. The combination of proper hardware, software, and tailored application delivers well-rounded IT solutions for the customer's problem. Nowadays, information and communication technology has become one of the basic requirements. Information and communication technology are reshaping many aspects of the world's economies, governments, and societies. They affect every sphere of our life and are used by in every field at home, in office, in shops and malls, in hospitals and banks, in education and research, at airport and railway stations, in many manufacturing and healthcare, to name a few. Information technology is one of the world's fastest growing economic activities, which envisages earlier flow of information at various levels in desired pattern. The information technology enabled services sector has not only changed the way the world looks at our country but has also made significant contributes to the Indian economy. Information technology. Information technology refers to all program and equivalent that are used to process and transmit information. It includes traditional and digital means like the internet, multimedia, email, telephone, and other sounds and videos based communication means which require experts to take care of their proper functioning. The world depends on them for remaining connected with each other for business and social purposes. Information technology influences business and society by making an exchange of ideas and information more efficient. IT includes all types of technology used to deal with information such as computer hardware and software. So software we should know the knowledge about software technology used for creating, sorting and transferring information. Computer takes data data as input, processes it and produces the result as output. Data can be यह character, text, words, number, picture, sound, or video, which, when put in some other, may become meaningful to us. Data in its raw form may not be useful to us and hence needs to be put in context. The data which is processed as per the need of a person to get meaningful interpretation of the data is called information. Information technology enabled services. IT enabled services, uh, also called web enabled services or remote services or teleworking, covers the entire gamut of operations which exploit information technology for improving efficiency of an organization. The services enabled by the use of information technology can be termed as ITES. These services improve the efficiency of the organization. Thus, ITES is defined as a type of outsourced service that involves the use of IT. Call center. It is a service center that answer incoming telephone calls from customer or make outgoing telephone calls to customer to provide information and support. Next topic is BPO, business process outsourcing. It is the process in which an organization outsources a part of its business operations with another organization and outsider, or you can say outside service provider, or you can say outsider, so that has the expertise in handling such kind of people, or you can say such kind of business operations. The services outsourced by an organization commonly include customer relations services, marketing, and sales. The two organizations could be located at any part of the world. BPM, Business Process Management. It is a discipline in operations management in which people use various methods to discover, model, analyze, measure, improve, optimize, and automate business processes. Any combination of methods used to manage a company's business processes is BPM. Business process can be structured and repeatable or understand and variable. The structure of IT BPM industry. MNCs are organizations having their headquarters outside India. These organizations produce or sell goods or services in various countries to serve in, external clients, both domestic as well as global. So operate in multiple locations worldwide, but are controlled by the parents companies. Indian service provider are organizations that supply various provisions such as consulting, legal, real estate, education, communication, storage, and processing to enterprises. More on IT.